CRF125 Wheelie, same as my 250 video. So I'm just gonna do a quick short clutch, throttle. You'll do a quick, whoops, hold on. Do a quick little throttle and then clutch drop. Front end will come up. Covering the rear brake. Once you get up there, here we go. Watch the clutch. This quick little drop. Come down. You can see the amount of throttle I give it. I'm gonna get out of the sun. I'm in first gear. First gear, watch my throttle. If I get it revved up too much, like I had it revved up, I go a little bit further back. Use the brake, slow me down. And then it's just running your knees. You can do it in second if you want. Here's second, into the sun. Need a little more throttle. See, we're gonna push it up. We're going a little fast, but we're in second. You want to go faster. We'll do second again. Second gear. Little brake. Oh, a little more throttle into that clutch up. Got a little sideways. That's how you do it. Got any questions? Put them in the comments. I'll try to answer.